everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyo! On this video, let's learn how to ask like this. And of course, how to respond if you're being asked like this. And you wanna answer? No, not like that, like this. Or, yes, like that. Let's start. Like this, ganito, ganito, ganito. And if you are being asked like this, ganito, and the person is doing it wrong and you want to answer, no, not like that, like this. Hindi, hindi ganyan, ganito. Let's say it again. No, hindi. Not like that. Hindi ganyan. Like this. Ganito. 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 Hindi ganyan. Ganito. Ganito. And what if the person is doing it right and you want to say, yes, like that. Oo, ganyan. Yes, oo, like that. Ganyan. 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 Ganito. Oo, ganyan. Yan lang para ngayong gabi. That's all for tonight. See you in the next video. Good night na!